Like, I got everything I'm wearing from like thrift shopping, even the scrunchie. Like, we have the starter pack here. And so, little glasses, little purse, little black dress.
They say I won't be none. Now they are to say congratulations.
My shirt says, "The world has bigger problems than," I can't read, but you can read it. What's up, y'all? It's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. So you saw the title. Today we are dressing as different aesthetics. And this is so funny to me because I'm coming at this video like two different ways. The first way is like, I am somebody, like I'm a grown adult. I live on my own. I have my own house, pay my own bills, drive my own car. Alexa, play Bills by Destiny's Child. But I love to play dress up. Like, I love to just get dressed, put on outfits to go nowhere, do my makeup to go nowhere. Like, I don't know, that's just the childish nature in me. I just love to play dress up, number one. Number two, do you really think I'm gonna have a video idea that makes me laugh out loud and then not execute it? No. The correct answer is no. So yeah, today I'm gonna be dressing as three completely different aesthetics, and like honestly the outfits and the aesthetics that I've chosen are hilarious. If you dress like any of these aesthetics, don't get offended. Don't take anything I say here too seriously. It's all jokes, boo. So yeah, let's just hop into me acting a fool on camera.
Audio Jungle.
So this is the girl that like goes to Brockhampton concerts. When she tells you she likes like trap music and like hood rap music, she's definitely gonna put Logic on. You already know she has a trust fund, okay? We know that Shawty has a trust fund. It's going to hit as soon as she turns 18. She ain't gotta worry about none. She ain't gotta worry about none. She says things like, just because my parents support Donald Trump doesn't mean I support Donald Trump. But in the same breath, she also doesn't think that white girls doing box braids is cultural appropriation. So there's some room for growth. There's some room for growth with a girl like this. A girl that dresses like this is definitely going to every music festival, and she's not paying for the ticket. Her parents are. All right, now this is like Trust Fund Girl 2.0. Like, still the same girl, but me and my friends are going to the mall. We're gonna go to Cheesecake Factory later, and like we want to take really cute pictures. So of course I had to put on a cute outfit, you know, that type of vibe. Please do not get it twisted. I think you already know what shoes I have on. I'm like looking at myself in the mirror right now and I'm mad that this outfit is actually cute. Like, here I am talking all this nonsense about people that don't dress the way that I dress. All jokingly, of course. All just jokes, just kidding. And then I'm like looking in the mirror like, hold up. Cause the fit kinda nice. This is like if the girl with a trust fund like decides that she's not gonna take her hydro flask with her to the mall today because like she just wants to have her hands free. I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping. My mom sent me $150 and I know it's not a lot, but I could probably get some stuff from Hollister, so it's fine.
Cooking souls.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get rest to go outside and I spend
Until oh! Okay, so let me tell you guys what the funniest part about this one is. I would actually like pause in the room with me right now. Paul, doesn't this look like an outfit I would just like put on if we were going somewhere?
Yeah, that's like a regular outfit.
Yes, this is literally something I would wear. So yep. This is the type of girl that you scroll on her Instagram for like 2 hours and you're like, how can she afford Prada bags and Rolexes on only Flat Tummy Tea sponsorships? And then you like conclude after about a few hours that she's probably an escort. Yep. This girl loves little sunglasses and little bags because that's what's like popping on Instagram right now. But the very second that they're not popping on Instagram anymore, you will never see her in them again. Like ever, okay? She is strictly here for what's trending and what's gonna get her to at least 2,000 likes minimum on the gram, because she wants to keep her engagement to like to follower ratio in order to keep the Flat Tummy Tea sponsorships coming in. Every single girl that dresses like this on Instagram has at least 10K at the very least, period. Like, let's be real. You don't go to Walmart and see somebody dressed like this. You only see girls wearing these lace-like bodysuits on Instagram. I mean, I may be the exception to the rule because I do wear this out in real life. But let me be very clear. I ain't trying to knock the hustle, okay? Because they make more money than I do. And I'm here for it, girl. Get it how you live. The IG Baddie starter pack. It comes with little glasses, a mini purse, and a short little black dress from Fashion Nova. And like, honestly, tell me I'm wrong. I wish one of y'all would. I wish one of y'all would tell me I'm wrong. But that's in the starter pack. When you buy the deluxe pack, it comes with a coupon code for 50% off on a Brazilian booty lift. But we don't have that one. We have the starter pack here. And so little glasses, little purse, little black dress. Wow, honestly though, it's so funny because the like IG Baddie Instagram model look is kind of, and this is the first time I'm actually like putting the two together. That's kind of how I dress. That's okay with me. That's all right with me. As long as I get a Flat Tummy Tea sponsorship sometime in the next 2 years, that's cool with me, baby. Because it's gonna pay off, okay? It's gonna pay off. This outfit to me is like laugh out loud hilarious to me. Not because it's not a cute outfit, not because people that dress like this or whatever, none of that. Only because this is the furthest from anything I would wear. I would never dress like this. This is very, he was a skater boy, she's a see you later boy. And I'm more of a, let me wrap my weave up, give me my gasolina type of girl. So, it's a no for me, dog. For me. It's a no for me. But this does look cute on a lot of other people, like the whole long sleeve under a band tee, like my jeans aren't super tight look. But me, I need some booty definition, so this ain't gonna work. Not gonna work, not now, not ever. Girls that dress like this, all 4 of their elective high school courses are art classes, all of them. I can draw, and I'm not gonna let you forget it. My Instagram is mostly like, the first slide is like a selfie or something, but then like all the other slides are like my drawings or like screenshots from anime that like I really feel like embody me, or my selfies. Yeah, I was in the art show. They put our pictures up in the mall. It was pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, honestly, when these super artsy-fartsy girls have to go to a party or like a classier gathering, please tell me this is not how they dress. If somebody is dressed like this, you already know they want to have an art major when they go to college. You already know. You already know. This outfit screams like I'm really good at drawing people. I can look at you for 5 whole seconds and I can just draw the heck out of your face. I mean it. Like, for real. You want me to draw a picture of you? Well, guys, this video was extremely productive because it made me realize, 1, I dress like an off-brand IG Baddie. 2, I discovered that the whole artsy-fartsy thing is not my vibe. It doesn't look good on me. And 3, I had a lot of fun. Like, I actually made myself genuinely crack up and laugh out loud a lot in this video, and that's what it's all about. Like I said, it's all jokes. I'm not hating or throwing shade at nobody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like and a comment and subscribe for more stupid videos like this, because this was actually pretty fun to film. And I will see y'all in the next video. Muchos besitos. Bye.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in the struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All of a sudden I